In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Before we begin, make sure you're working in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC since the rich media tools aren't available in the free reader. Have your PDF ready and keep a compatible video file nearby. MP4 with H.264 is the most reliable choice for playback across devices. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. With the app open, bring up the PDF you want to enhance so you can see the exact page where your video should appear. Next, go to All Tools. This is your central hub for everything beyond basic viewing and commenting. If you don't immediately see what you need, choose View More to expand the full list of tools. Acrobat groups related features together, so expanding this view makes the media options easier to find. From here, select Add Rich Media. This is the set of features designed for interactive content like audio and video. Then choose Video. Acrobat will prepare the video placement workflow and show you options for where your media will come from and how it will be embedded. When prompted, choose the option to import the video from your computer. This ensures the file is embedded in the PDF so recipients won't need an internet connection to play it. Click Browse to open your system's file picker. Navigate to the folder that contains your clip. In our example, we're heading to a folder labeled something like Documents and Markups, but use whichever folder holds your video. Locate your sample video file, confirm it's the correct format and size, and then click Open. Keep in mind that very large videos will significantly increase your PDF's file size, so shorter, optimized clips are best for sharing. Once the file path is selected, click OK to confirm. Acrobat will embed the video and prepare it for playback inside the page. At this point, you should see the video frame appear in your PDF. Depending on your document layout, you can keep it where it is or adjust later using Acrobat's selection handles. If you plan to distribute the PDF widely, it's a good idea to test playback in Acrobat Reader, since not all browsers or third-party viewers support embedded media. Also consider adding a visible poster image to hint at the play button, especially if your audience may not expect interactive content. When everything looks good, save your PDF so the embedded video is preserved. That's all there is to it. Your PDF now includes a fully playable video using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC.